Good day everyone. Today I'll be discussing trigonometric functions. So trigonometric function is a function of an angle or of an abstract quantity used in trigonometry, including the sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant and their hyperbolic counterparts. In trigonometric function, there are 6 functions that are the core of trigonometry. There are the 3 primary ones that you need to understand completely: the sine, cosine, and tangent. The other 3 functions are not used as often and can be derived from the 3 primary functions: the secant, cosecant, and cotangent. So consider the right triangle above. For each angle P and Q, there are 6 functions. Each functions is the ratio of 2 sides of the triangle. Note that the only difference between the 6 functions is which pair of side we use. So, example, this right triangle. So, the point Q, R, and P. In this side, this is the hypotenuse, and this side is the adjacent, and this O represent the opposite. So opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. So in the following table, so what I have said, A is the length of the side adjacent to the angle X in questions. Ang O is the length of the side opposite to the angle. H is the length of the hypotenuse. The X there represent the measure of an angle in either degrees or region. On how to solve sine, cosine, and tangent, mani ang ilahang definition. Ang sine x is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Ang cosine x is adjacent over hypotenuse. Then ang tan x is equal to opposite over adjacent. These 3 are the primary functions. So, in this table, note how each function is the reciprocal of one of the basic functions sine, cos, and tan. For the cosecant, the definition of cosecant is cosecant x is equal to hypotenuse over opposite. So, as we can see, the sine x is opposite over hypotenuse. So, when we say reciprocal, murag something ibali or inverse. So, the reciprocal of cosecant is cosecant x is equal to 1 over sine x. Then, sa secant x is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent. As we can see, ang cosine mo siya ang adjacent over hypotenuse. Then, ang sa cotangent is equal to adjacent over opposite. So, as we can see in this table, ang tan mo siya ang opposite over adjacent. So, sa cotangent mo ni siya ang mahitabo nga ang cot x is equal to 1 over tan x. And so, for better understanding, I have an example. In the figure above, the cosine of x is the side adjacent to x labeled A over the hypotenuse labeled H. So, cosine x is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. If given A is equal to 12 cm and H is equal to 24 cm, then it is easy to solve. Kay dali raman po siya na po. Cosine x, substitute the value A and H. So, cosine x is equal to 12 over 24 or 12 over 24 Then, cosine x is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Sokatuwa. Familiar mo, no? Sokatuwa. These 9 letters are a memory aid to remember the 3 primary functions, sine, cosine, and tangent. So, first, ang mo ni siya sa sine, which is sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Ang ka is for cosine, which is cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Then, ang towa, tangent, equal to opposite over adjacent. Pagka-pronounce ani is mara siyang sokatuwa. That's all. Thank you.